Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I am coming at you guys with a hair tutorial. As you can see, I didn't even take my curls loose, so I'm gonna get to that. But your girl is finally doing her hair. It's been about like 4 weeks since the last time that I have gave myself a cute style, so today I am doing that. I use Murray's Edge Wax, which is not all that, but that's what I had in the salon today. That's a little bit of what I used. Rubber bands, Mazzani's True Textures Perfect Coil Gel. I absolutely love this stuff. It has an amazing hold. I did a video using this before, I think. I love this stuff. And I also used the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. I also love this for sets too, so I combined those to get my perm rod curls, and I set underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes. I just want everything to set. So like, look at these braids. Like, you guys know, if you know me, you know that I could not braid a year ago. Like, it's crazy. I used to have such a hard time braiding on myself, which I still get kind of frustrated. I was even able to stitch a little bit. I am so proud of myself. Shout out to me. Thank you, Jesus, for allowing me to get to this point. Like, everything is about progress, and I've made so much progress when it comes to braiding. So I'm so happy with how the style came out. So if you want to see how I got this hairdo, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Love you give, it can't be replaced. So come now, what to do? That's not mine. Spend my life with you, won't please you in any way I can. I wish in my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I show you that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Tonight, show you that you can be. I'm begging you, you make me believe. Your love is the one in a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah. Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on.
Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna go underneath the dryer and then I'm gonna come back with my makeup all did and everything. So let me go sit underneath the dryer for about 20 minutes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Say no one else do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wish in my world, don't you understand?
Alright y'all, so now I'm just gonna put a little serum. You could use serum or oil, any type of something to lubricate, and I'm gonna take my curls apart. I'm not gonna separate them too much because I want them to just fall naturally, but I didn't want to close out the video without showing y'all how it looked apart. When I tell you these curls have a good hold and shine, like look at that. You cannot beat that. Like look at how beautiful this looks. Like oh my gosh, I'm in love with this hairstyle, y'all. This is no oil sheen. This is not from that serum. It is from this product right here and this product right here. Look at how cute. And of course y'all can, you know, take a little more if you want to, but like I said, I just want to keep mine really fresh. I'm not trying to separate it too much. I think that's good enough for me, but I couldn't ask for anything else. I love it. It's the perfect summer updo, and it's been raining a lot where I am, so I just want to tie this up and then wake up and go to work. Like I'm not trying to do a whole lot to my hair right now. I just want it to be a wake up and go hair, and it's perfect because as this just fluffs out and gets bigger, it's just gonna keep being cute, and when it gets a little frizzy, then I'll just put it in a bun. But this is staying in for at least a week or two, okay? And this is not even done on freshly washed hair. There's so many times where you don't have to rewash your hair. You can just revitalize it. I greased my scalp today using my, let me grab it. I used my sulfur 8 grease today, greased my scalp, and then I just went into a new style. Like I haven't washed my hair in a week, and this is going on the 2nd week. All right, I'm just rambling because I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. But if you like this video, then you should follow me on Instagram at everything by Maja. That's where I'll be talking to my people. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.